How to update your watch in the latest version. You can do it both of iPhone or from watch. If you go to your setting and go to the general, and from here you can see the software update, press on software update. Now you are able to download and install from here. Also you can do it from iPhone. Just type watch, then you're able to access your watch here. Then go to the general, then software update. Here you can see download and install. If you press on download and install, enter your passcode, then press on agree. Now it's downloading. So just charge your iPhone, then you are able to download and install your latest software on your for your watch. That's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.